Hey, what's up, guys? So I thought I'd make a quick video on the bottom seat bracket. I didn't see a whole lot of videos on how to do it. In mine, the previous one, had one of the studs bust off on it. So we just got a whole new set, but pretty straightforward. I mean, you got 4 of these, one on each end, boom and boom here. The biggest thing is getting this bar. So you got the kind of a multi-step side of the bar. And then you got the longer side that goes into this hole right there. This side goes into, let me see if I can pull it out a little bit. The top corner hole. So if we pull it up like this, kind of see that. But it goes in the corner where this kind of comes in and curves around, the top corner there. And then, of course, you just tighten this to where it's not pulling on this, but anytime you pull it, it will move. This guy right here. And then the big spring, which my other seat didn't have in it already, but the big spring goes from this side where you have the handle, this big notched out area, back to here. And I can't really get a good view on it, but it's on the seat frame itself. There's a hole right here. It does not go into there. It goes into the seat frame itself. There's a little hole that you'll find. But pretty simple, pretty straightforward setup. I did have a little bit of trouble when I took my other seat off. All of this stuff fell off with it, so I wasn't quite sure on how to put it back together. So I looked for pictures. That helped, but figured I'd make a little video for you guys. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.